in the next 2 days, we should be done.
2 days later.
Yo, Jake Hall, please report to the front of the man pit.
No! No! Oh my gosh!
So with it being 6-wheel drive and with there being like access points on both sides so that people can funnel through, it'll be easy to deliver people water, supplies, you know, diapers, simple things that in Houston that I found out that people needed. There was no organization, and so now this solves this problem and is a great like all-terrain vehicle, and so it can go to any place in the world.
This is not a prank. This is not a joke. This is a real deal.
How did you do this?
1 second.
Jake, you gotta get up here.
I'm freaking out though because I have like a bunch of Jake Paulers here today.
You do?
From San Bernardino.
We should call them out here.
We should tell them.
I mean, you should like test it. Right now's the test.
Yeah. Now is the test, right?
Now's the test. I just don't know what to do. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's gonna come out here. He's just gonna lose his mind, and all these kids are gonna go crazy.
Did you guys like it?
Yeah!
I think they liked it. I think they liked it. My fans know all of my cars already, and this is the biggest and boldest one of them all, so I think people are gonna freak out when it's in their cities. Y'all rock, honestly.
There's only like, oh my gosh, like what I think. Oh my god.
Well, alright, bye guys, Italy.